Good morning, all of you student. So today we have here the lectures on the atom and molecule physics. So first chapter is the atomic structure. So summary of the last lecture, we have to see here the orbital angular momentum and spin angular momentum. So orbital angular momentum, so that is capital L, is given by, so L is equal to under root of L into L plus 1 into h upon 2 pi, and the spin angular momentum so that have s bar, that is equal to under root of s into s plus 1 into h upon 2 pi, and h upon 2 pi is nothing but the h cross. And this spin angular momentum, consider the spin magnetic momentum s ms, so that is given by plus half and minus half. So that plus half is considered as for the spin for the up state, and minus half is for the spin for the down state. And that physical meaning of the spinning of the electron is not correct, because the electron is a point particle without spatial size. And to overcome these conceptual difficulties, so all experimental probes support that the electrons will result into the spin magnetic quantum number, that is the ms. Okay, so today in this lecture we want to see the quantum numbers associated with the vector atom model, that according to the quantum mechanics. So the Schrodinger's consider first of all three quantum numbers, that is the principal quantum number, which is denoted by small n, orbital quantum number, which is denoted by small l, and orbital magnetic quantum number is the ml. And according to the restrictions of the numbers are given by, so the value of the n, l and ml. So n is the principal quantum number, and that value is 1 2 3 up to the infinity. The value of the orbital quantum number, so that is small l, is given as the 0 1 2 3 up to the n minus 1, and n is the principal quantum number. And that value of the orbital magnetic quantum number, so that orbital magnetic quantum number, which is denoted by the small m suffix l, so that value of ml is given as minus l comma minus l plus 1 up to 0 to l minus 1 and l. Okay, so this is the values of the principal quantum number, orbital quantum number and orbital magnetic quantum number. After that, see here one extra quantum number is there, so that is the spin magnetic quantum number, and that spin magnetic quantum number is given by the s or ms suffix. And that spin magnetic quantum number, this is the additional fourth quantum number, and value is given as the plus half and minus half. So we want to see here the details discussion about that varies 4 quantum numbers. So first quantum number is the principal quantum number. We want to see here the idea about the principal quantum number, and this principal quantum number small n is specifies the orbit number. Okay, the principal quantum number, so that is n, is specifies the orbit number. Okay, so this principal quantum number small n is specifies the orbit number, and the size of orbit and the energy equation by given by the last equation seen in the last few lectures, that equation number 11 and equation number 18. So that is the size of orbit and energy state and energy of the state is given by equation. So that which equation? That is Rn and En. So Rn is given by Rn is equal to epsilon naught h square n square divided by pi m into e square. So this is equation for the size of the orbit or radius of the orbit, and next equation is given by En is equal to minus m into e to the power 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square h square n square. Okay, so this is the equation of the size of the orbit, and this is the equation of the energy state of the orbit, and these two equation indicate that the Rn is directly proportional to the n square, and this En is inversely proportional to the n square. En is inversely proportional to the n square. So this is get the relation of indicate the size of the orbit and energy state depends on the principal quantum number, because here we have to see that R is directly proportional to n square, so that depends on the principal quantum number, and here energy is also depends on the principal quantum number, and the values of the principal quantum number is varies. Values of n is 1, 2, 3 up to the infinity, and with represent the energy levels or shell, which represent the energy levels or shells which is given by K shell, L shell, M shell, N shell, O shell, P shell or etc. So this is considered as the depends on the principal quantum number, and that principal quantum number have considered to show the orbit number. Okay, so the total number of electrons is shell. Okay, the main point is here. So in which shell, suppose for example K shell or L shell or M shell, so how many electrons in this shell, and that is denoted by the total number of electrons, total number of electrons in shell are 2n square. So this is the main formula if we want to calculate how many electrons present in the particular shell. So that is denoted by the 2n square. For example, if we consider n is equal to 1, how much? N is equal to 1 is there. So that is first orbit. So how many electrons in the first orbit? Take here n value is equal to 1. So that is given by 2n square. So n value is 1. So 2 into 1 square is 1. So that is 2. So now the first shell of the orbit, only 2 electrons there. So that is doublet is there. For example, again one example take here, for n is equal to 2. So consider for 2 into n square. So that is 2 into 2 square. So that is 2 multiply 2 square is 4. So now next shell is 8 electrons is there. So that is octet is complete in the next shell. Okay, taken again one example. So that is, for example, n is equal to 3. Okay, so our formula is, that is total number of electrons in particular shell are 2 into n square. So that is given by 2 into 3 square. So that is 2 into 3 square is 9, and 9 to the 18. Next shell, so 18 electrons is there. And if for example n is equal to 4, so that is 2n square. So that is equal to 2 into 4 square, and 4 square is 16. So 2 multiply by 16. So total 32 electrons in the, for n is equal to 4 orbit. So this serial number of cell starting from the innermost is designated by n. So this is cell number. So up to the, for example, this is the nucleus is n. So this is innermost or inner core shell. This is next shell, and this is again next. So this is for n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, and n is equal to 3. So that depends upon, so how many numbers in present in the that shell, and that shell is denoted by KLMNOP. Okay, now we want to see here the next quantum number is the orbital quantum number. Okay, see here orbital quantum number, and these quantum number arise due to the orbital motion of an electron. So second quantum number is orbital quantum number, which is denoted by small l, and the quantum numbers arises due to the quantum number arises due to the orbital motion of an electron motion of an electron in the orbit. In the orbit, okay, and this gives rise to the orbital angular momentum of an electron, that is L bar. For the consist of the basis of the classical mechanics, on the basis of classical mechanics, so that consider L bar is equal to m into v cross of r bar. Okay, so according to the classical mechanics, that is angular momentum is given by L bar is equal to m into v cross r bar. So where m is the mass of electron and v is the velocity of an electron. Okay, so this is according to the classical mechanics, and if we see in the figure, so that angular momentum is perpendicular to the plane of the momentum. So if we consider the plane of the electron orbit is here, okay, so this L bar is perpendicular, this L bar is perpendicular to the plane of the orbit. So here electron is there, this is positive charge atom, that is Jd, this is consider the radius of the orbit, so that is the r, and this is the plane of the electron. So L bar is perpendicular to the plane of electron. Okay, so according to the Bohr quantum theory, that is the Bohr second postulate of the orbital momentum, that is given by, you know that, so you will see in the last lecture, so that angular momentum is depends on or is equal to the integral multiple values of the h upon 2 pi. So according to Bohr second postulate is given by, so that angular quantum number or angular momentum is equal to integral multiple of h upon 2 pi, so that is L is given by n into h upon 2 pi. Okay, so this is the Bohr second orbit, or for if we consider L is equal to 0, that is the angular momentum consider is 0 for the Bohr model, that indicate that the motion of electron is along straight line through the nucleus. Okay, so that first condition is if we consider according to the Bohr model, so second postulate, if L is equal to 0, if L is equal to 0, then indicate that this indicate that the moving of electron, motion of electron, motion of electron is along straight line, is along straight line to the nucleus, through the nucleus. But this is not acceptable solution, so this difficulty are resolved when the quantum mechanics applied to the atomic system. Okay, and according to the quantum mechanics, orbital angular momentum, okay, so this is L bar is equal to m into v cross r bar, and that L bar is perpendicular to the electron orbit, plane of electron orbit. So this is according to the classical mechanics theory. For according to the quantum mechanics, that L bar is given by, so according to quantum mechanics, so L bar is given as under root of L into L plus 1 into h upon 2 pi, and where L is the orbital quantum momentum or orbital quantum number. Orbital quantum number. So, and this gives the value for L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the n minus 1, and this is n is the principal quantum number. And if that equation last 37 equation, so that is equation 37a. So this equation gives the information for L is equal to, if we equal to 0, when this L is equal to, that is orbital quantum number is 0, that is orbital angular momentum is goes to 0, and acceptable value for L, and that quantum mechanically L is equal to 0 indicate that the spherical symmetric electron could with no axis of the resolution. So for example, here we have to see last few minutes ago in classically, the L is equal to 0 if angular momentum is 0, that have not acceptable value. But in quantum mechanics, if we take for L is equal to 0, if when that small l is also 0, so taken value is here for L is equal to 0, so that factor is going to 0, and quantum mechanically this is acceptable value, and that indicate that spherically indicate that spherically symmetric electron could no axis revolution. Okay, so in quantum mechanics the wave function has two solution, is a spherical symmetric solution and spherical asymmetric solution. So that for L is equal to 0 has consider the spherically symmetric electron that could no axis of the revolution, and with the value of if we consider L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so that have consider the different subshell is S, P, D, F or so on. So for L is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the n minus 1, up to the n minus 1 represent the subshells, represent the subshell S, P, D, F, G, H, I, etc. So that have considered this orbital quantum number 0, 1, 2, 3 up to the n minus 1 as consider the subshell of the electron orbit, and that subshell of electron orbit SPDF, which is denoted by the small letter, For example, if we consider for n is equal to 1, if for example, so n is equal to 1, so how much L, so which is considered the principal quantum number, that n is equal to 1, so which have considered the main shell is the K shell, so K shell, and orbital quantum number, so that L has only one value, L has only one value, and this only one value, that L is equal to 0 is there, and if L is equal to 0 there, that which have considered the subshell is the S subshell. Okay, for example, if we consider n is equal to 2, that have taken 2L value, that value running from 0, 1, 2 up to the n minus 1. Here n is equal to 2, that is 2 minus 1 is 1, so L has two value 0 and 1. So and n is equal to 2, which have considered the L shell, so L, that is orbital quantum number has two values, and these two values is nothing but 0 and 1, and which have L is equal to 0 consider the S shell, and L is equal to consider the P shell. So which have L is equal to 0 consider S subshell, and L is equal to 1 consider the P subshell. Okay, if we consider for n is equal to 3, okay, n is equal to 3, so it has consider M shell, and L has taken value, so L is equal to 0, 1, 2 up to the n minus 1. Here n is 3, so 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So L has taken 3 values, so that consider as L is equal to 0, L is equal to 1, and L is equal to 2. For L is equal to 0, that have consider S subshell, or L is equal to 1 is the P subshell, and L is equal to 2 is considered as the D subshell. Okay, and if we consider for n is equal to 4 is there, n is equal to 4 is there, so 4 minus 1 is 3, so taken value of the subshell is the orbital quantum number L is equal to 0, 1, 2 and 3, and which have considered 4 different subshell. So for n is equal to 4, so L has